Want to take your aviation career to new heights? An MBA in Airport and Airlines Management is your ticket to leadership roles in the fast-growing aviation industry. Sulekha connects you with top colleges in India, helping you choose the best program to shape your future. Why choose an MBA in Airport and Airlines Management? This 2-year postgraduate program is designed for aspiring professionals who want to excel in aviation management. It covers advanced concepts in airport operations, airline business strategies, and aviation laws, preparing you for high-level managerial roles. Eligibility criteria for MBA in Airport and Airlines Management. To pursue this MBA, you must meet the following requirements. A bachelor's degree in any discipline with at least 50% aggregate marks. Some institutes may require a valid CAT, MAT, XAT, or CMAT score. Work experience in aviation is preferred but not mandatory. Key subjects in MBA Airport and Airlines Management. This program blends business management with aviation expertise, covering topics such as aviation operations and safety management, airport and airline marketing, aviation law and policies, revenue management in airlines, cargo and logistics management. The course includes case studies, internships, and industrial visits to provide hands-on experience. Course fees and duration. The MBA in Airport and Airlines Management is a 2-year program with fees ranging from 3 lakhs rupee to 10 lakhs rupees depending on the college. Scholarships for MBA in Airport and Airlines Management. Several scholarships are available to help finance your studies, including merit-based scholarships for high-achieving students, need-based financial aid for students from economically weaker sections, aviation industry sponsorships offered by airlines and aviation firms. These scholarships help reduce financial burdens and make quality education more accessible. Top colleges for MBA in Airport and Airlines Management in India. Find the best colleges listed on Sulekha, including Hindustan Institute of Technology and Science, Chennai, University of Petroleum and Energy Studies, UPES, Dehradun, Nehru College of Aeronautics and Applied Sciences, Coimbatore, Jain University, Bangalore, Ajinkya D.Y. Patil University, Pune. These institutions offer world-class faculty, industry connections, and excellent placement opportunities, career opportunities, and salary prospects. After completing an MBA in Airport and Airlines Management, you can explore roles such as Airport Operations Manager, Airline Marketing Executive, Aviation Safety Manager, Air Cargo Manager, Customer Service Director. Entry-level salaries range from 6 lakhs rupee to 15 lakhs rupee per annum, depending on the organization and role. Get started with Sulekha today. Sulekha makes it easy to find the best MBA in Airport and Airlines Management programs in India. White Heavy Checkmark compare colleges, fees, and placement records. White Heavy Checkmark explore scholarship options and industry tie-ups. White Heavy Checkmark connect directly with colleges and secure your admission. The aviation industry is booming, and skilled professionals are in high demand. Visit Sulekha today to explore your options and take the first step towards a successful aviation management career. Your dream career is just a click away.